Hello, this video will show you how to build a message template. This is the first step for OWL Automatic Notifications, a premium feature that can be added to your subscription by contacting us at info@owlets.com. Now let's get started by going to the Building menu and selecting Message Templates. Click the Create button. This is the form to construct your email message. Give your template a name. It should be a good name so that you can find it in the drop-down list later when you're adding it to the notification instructions. The subject is just the subject of the email message, and then the body is the body of your email. Now you may want to personalize your message by adding OWL system variables. You can find a complete list of them in the help documentation. Just click here in the upper right, and now you see the long list of variables. Let's add the test taker's name. Find the variable you want in the list, select it, right-click on it, and copy. Now go back to the body of your email, right-click where you want to put the variable, and then select Paste. And we could do the same thing to add the test taker's results. We'll find the variable, right-click, copy, go back to the message, right-click, paste. And if you want, you can do some additional formatting to that text. Always be sure to save and close. If you need to make future edits, you can click on the pencil here in the list page. Now remember, this is just step one, so please watch the second video to learn how to add the automatic notification instructions to your assignment. As always, we thank you for choosing the OWL Test Management System.